In front of me is OPPO Reno15 FS, and today I would like to show you how you can open apps in pop-up view. Start by opening any app you wanna use in this view and launching it in the background. Then you need to access background apps like that. So basically click on an app and tap on this button with 3 lines. And when you're ready, click on those 3 dots at the top right corner. Finally, hit floating window at the top of this pop-up and wait. As you can see, now I can use my app in this little window. To resize it, hold one of its bottom corners and drag it. If you want to move it around, hold those 3 dots at the top and drag it as well. To minimize it, click on Home button and swipe it to the side. Then access it by tapping on the bubble and tiny window. If you want to use your app in full screen view, hold this line at the bottom and drag it down. You can use the same one to close your window by swiping up. Don't forget to click on those dots though at the top to check out all of those options as well. Close, minimize, and full screen. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!